People bless up, giving thanks to life as usual. You don't know the thing. Attack them newlink. No, it's a beautiful day. Yeah, very beautiful day. Now look on them two man there now, people. That's a Buju Bantan over there, so. And that's a Marcus there upon the thumbnail. See? Now, people are gonna make newlink now say, yo, you can't blame me out because Buju are in daddy. On the blind, what me have to ask now a question? You can't say good. Look on them the two smarty the people. As some people can't favor people. Eh? You know see a Buju frame that there. Look on the boy Marcus and look on the Buju over there, sir. And the man frame that is like the man twin. So anybody got them talk, they say, yo, Buju, you see me? And a jacket son, so you can't cuss because I'm a real father. And I hear that. No top talk foolishness, man. Zin? No top talk foolishness. Zin? And then I any idea, people. Whatever I go on between the two of them, they you wrong for take it to social media. I just a truth. Reality. There are some personal feud going. Nobody out there if you know nothing about them. Zin? And me would do that. Me not tell no lie. You know what I mean? Me would do that. But man, for dead at prison, me not wish bad for no man. You can know some people are evil and I go come and say, yo, if you not rate him, all who did rate Buju, if you not because of him make you not rate me, you can delete yourself and move on. No man, I can't work so youth. You have to look in yourself. You know say your father and he will forgive you, yes, but still my youth, now if you looking on yourself as young youth, brother. You see me? We can't pray life there way there, bro. We have to pray that we know some enough time parents fall out and you know what I mean, but in an idea. You can't make your world look your father just come up, brother. You see some artists at Jamaica try shake down the man thing already. See? So you have to look in yourself now and think twice, yo. Because Buju are your daddy, yo. See? Or your blood daddy that. Look on the man and look on you. Look in yourself, the man, and forgive yourself, man. Because I know your daddy are going to forgive you still in there. You see me? Because an idea Buju love you. No matter what, you don't have. I just parents and parents can kids go sometime. You see? Because sometimes we as kids, you know, we expect so we have to do everything and so we are big man and big woman, we have to get the right eye stick. But as a parent, sometimes standards can't set. See? And if your daddy really lick you still, I beat you up, him wrong still. You see me? If Buju lick you wrong, you know what I mean? You're a big man, the man if you lick you still, me not tell no lie. So Buju, if you lick you out, you're wrong, that's the same way. You know what I mean? You have to calm down a temper sometimes if you're really true. Another part they go, the police them say, the youth make a report still at the station, so, you know what I mean? But them will give details and that further on. You know what I mean? So, as I say, people, concert, you don't know what night that today is. And you know, me not get for read sell, so all I will go. If you can send some video to Newlink, you don't know what the thing go. You know what I mean? Send on the video them. See me there, follow me on Newlink Production, YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook, Newlink Production, same way. You understand? We have to live good, man. As parents and kids, we have to do better. You know what I mean? I remember say this is the whole eyes to the public, you know, so we have to know what we are doing, yo. We have to really know what we are doing. Don't know the thing of people, they an idea cool off and I use the back and I relax and I say, yo, you know what I mean? And I think about enough of my warriors, them who see pass and gone and idea and I say, yo, boy, life, people do so much, yeah, man. I have to do some video upon them there. But life is so much life. But big up on yourself now, enough love and respect. I don't know me say attack. Bless up my people. Big up.